Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to talk about the different cameras we use here at Symbol Syndication. To start things off, I'm going to talk about the Sony A7S2. So the Sony A7S2 is probably our most commonly used camera here at Symbol Syndication. It's a great option because it shoots 1080 at 120, it can shoot 4K, it's super light, compact. The S-Log2 is amazing for color correction and it is phenomenal in low light. It can shoot up to 400,000 ISO, which is pretty incredible for a little camera like this. Articulating screen, which is really nice. It has 5-axis optical stabilization, which is really nice for handheld video, though usually when we can, we try to use it on a tripod or a gimbal. All around amazing camera. And that brings us to our next camera, which is the Canon C100 Mark II.
All right, so this is the C100. This is a cinema grade camera. It has an extremely long recording limit, so you don't have to worry about time constraints. It also has an awesome battery life, and if you need to, you can even plug it straight in, so you don't have to worry about running out of battery. With some of the smaller batteries, such as Sony's, you can run into that, so this is a great option if you need to do a long corporate event or something. It also has a fantastic autofocus, and it also works very well in low light. And we've got our external audio here. We got XLR inputs, or the camera has a fantastic built-in microphone if that's what you want to use instead. It's also got a nice articulating screen here, and we've got several different settings and places you can press record on the camera, so depending on how you have it set up, you have lots of options, and you have lots of options for where you want to map all your settings and everything as well.
Third camera we use is the Canon 5D Mark IV. This is our newest addition to the Symbol Syndication camera family. This is a pretty cool camera as well. It shoots 4K. It is cropped though. It does shoot 120 at 1080, also cropped. Nice crisp video, awesome autofocus, touch screen. It is a full frame camera, so decent in low light, not quite as good as the Sony A7S2. And it is nice because it does use Canon glass instead of the Sony E-mount, which is a good change. This camera though is much more inclined towards photos than video. It has a 30 megapixel sensor, which just takes amazing sharp photos. The autofocus works really well. I've definitely really enjoyed using it for photos, more so than video.
Here we have the Canon 7D Mark II. It's a fantastic choice for both photo and video. If you're shooting video, it can go 1080p at 60 frames per second. And with photography, if you're doing any sort of action photography or sports, it can shoot 10 photos per second at full resolution, which is fantastic. Features a great autofocus, it's good in low light. It also has jacks for both your microphone and your headphones. It also features a dual card slot here, so you can have your compact flash as well as your SD card, which can really come in handy. The camera features a metal skeleton as well, which is really great. It makes it a lot more durable and a lot more sturdy in your hand compared to something like the 80D. So this is a really good travel camera.
The last camera we have here is the Canon 80D. This is an awesome choice for an entry-level videography or photography camera. It has dual pixel autofocus. You can just touch the screen wherever you want in the image to focus, and it'll pull focus from whatever it's focused on to whatever you touch, which is very cool. It has a fully articulating screen, so you can position it however you like. So if you're filming and the camera's up above you, you can look up at it. Same thing if you're looking down at it, or if you want to do kind of the selfie camera sort of thing. It shoots 1080 at 60, which is great. It doesn't have 4K capability, but you don't really need it in a camera this price. It has both a microphone jack and a headphone jack, which is an awesome combination for video. For the roughly $1,100 price tag, this is definitely a great option for any entry-level videographers. Another one of our favorite tools is the GoPro. These are absolutely amazing for shoots such as our Street Wheelers one, because we were able to put them on the outside of cars in unique spots and catch amazing action with them. They're phenomenal. The new GoPro Hero 5 is waterproof and has a myriad of other features. You should check out our review for the GoPro Hero 5. There's a link in the description down below.